we're going to be learning how to use the PHPMyAdmin tool. Okay, and how to do certain things in SQL. Alright, MySQL create tables, MySQL create tables, MySQL create tables. Exercise 1 with solution. Alright, write a SQL statement to create a simple table, countries including columns, country ID, country name, and region ID. Alright, write a SQL statement, SQL statement, SQL statement, and simple table, countries, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Sample solution. Alright, so create table, countries, parentheses, country underscore ID, varchar, parentheses, 2, comma, country underscore name, varchar, parentheses, 40, comma, region underscore ID, decimal, parentheses, 10, comma, 0, parentheses, semicolon. Alright, create table, create table, create table. It's going to create the table. It's going to create the table. It's going to create the table. And countries is going to be the name. Countries is going to be the name of the table. Country is going to be the name of the table. Country is going to be the name of the table. And then after that, you put parentheses. Everything in the side of parentheses is country. Everything in parentheses is the country. Everything in parentheses is the country. And the semicolon ends the whole statement. Semicolon is for this. Create table, countries. Oh, bam. And semicolon ends it all. Ends it all. Ends it all. All right. So parentheses. Country underscore ID is the ID for the country, ID for the country, ID for the country, and varchar, number of characters, number of characters, number of characters, parentheses 2, parentheses 2, parentheses 2, for 2 characters, 2 characters, 2 characters, comma for another input part, comma for another input part, comma for another input part. Country underscore name is for country name. Country underscore name, country underscore name, country underscore name, name of the country, name of the country, name of the country. Once again, varchar, 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 parentheses 40, parentheses 40, parentheses 40. And this is 40 characters, 40 characters, 40 characters. Comma, space, another entry, another entry, another entry. Region underscore ID. Region underscore ID, region underscore ID. It's the ID of the region. It's like regions, like all across like the earth and stuff, like the ID is like a unique number, like region 1 is southeast, region 2 is northwest, region 3 is southwest and all that. Like 1, 2, 3, that's like what the region ID would be. Alright, and decimal, decimal, decimal. When people use region IDs, they use the decimal format, region ID, decimal format, region ID, decimal format, parentheses 10. Parentheses 10, parentheses 10, comma 0, comma 0, comma 0. Now I think I kind of forgot. I have to relook at it. 10 is for like the whole number part, whole number part, whole number part, and 0 is for the decimal part, decimal part, decimal part. Okay, so let's execute the above code in MySQL 5.6 command prompt, command prompt, command prompt. So put it in the command prompt, put it in the command prompt, put it in the command prompt. So you would copy all this and then just paste it into the command prompt. Okay. So right here, we're just going to click on Northwind. Actually, let's just click on something else real quick. Alright, now click on Northwind. Northwind is a common database a lot of people use for a sample. So I'm just going to use Northwind for a sample because this website, also W3 Resources, uses Northwind. Okay. And now I'm just going to paste. Hold up. And you got to double right click, double right click, double right click in order to get the paste option, paste option, paste option. See? Print. 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 But when you copy and double click and paste. You just got to practice it. Sometimes you double right click, sometimes you can double click into this, and it's going to eventually let you just paste. Hold on. And sometimes double click doesn't work. You just have to go back into here, copy, and double click with the pointer. Hold on. Copy again.